Join me as I put some popular natural remedies to the test and see what actually works. With the rise of wellness trends and a growing interest in holistic health, natural remedies have become a staple in many of our daily routines. From essential oils to herbal supplements, it seems like there's a natural solution for everything. But have you ever stopped to think about what's actually effective and what's just hype? One of the biggest challenges people face when searching for natural remedies is the sheer amount of misinformation out there. It's easy to get caught up in a whirlwind of claims and counterclaims, with no clear way to separate fact from fiction. I've lost count of how many times I've seen friends swear by a certain remedy, only to find out it's completely unproven. And let's be real, who hasn't fallen prey to a dodgy health website or two? The thing is, not all natural remedies are created equal. Some have been extensively studied and have real evidence backing them up, while others are more of a stretch. Take, for example, the idea that you can cure a cold with a spoonful of honey. Some studies suggest it can help soothe a sore throat, but it's not a magic bullet. And then there are the remedies that are just plain weird, like using garlic to ward off vampires, not exactly something you find in a reputable health journal. To make matters worse, the natural remedy industry is largely unregulated, which means anyone can claim just about anything. It is up to us to do our own research and make informed decisions about what we put into our bodies. But that can be overwhelming, especially when you're faced with a sea of conflicting information. So, what do we know about natural remedies that actually works? Let's take a look at some of the most popular ones. There's turmeric, which has anti-inflammatory properties that have been shown to help with pain relief. And then there's probiotics, which can help support gut health. These remedies have been studied extensively and have real evidence backing them up. But there's one natural remedy that I find particularly fascinating, and that's the use of meditation for anxiety. I know it sounds simple, but there's a growing body of research that suggests it can have a real impact on both physical and mental health. From reducing stress hormones to improving sleep quality, the benefits are impressive. And the best part? It's free and accessible to anyone. The science behind meditation is pretty cool. Studies have shown that regular practice can actually change the structure of your brain, increasing gray matter in areas related to attention and emotion regulation. And it is not just about sitting cross-legged on a mountaintop. Even just a few minutes a day can make a difference. I've tried meditation myself, and I can attest to its benefits. It's not a cure-all, but it's definitely helped me manage stress and feel more centered. And I'm not alone. There are countless stories of people who found relief from anxiety and depression through meditation. In conclusion, when it comes to natural remedies, it's all about making informed choices. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one person might not work for another. But by doing your research and being mindful of the potential pitfalls, you can find what works for you. So, I'd love to hear from you. What are some natural remedies that have worked for you? Have you tried meditation or something else that's made a difference in your life? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about natural health and wellness, be sure to check out my next video for more insights.